Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to download Epson TM-T82 driver on Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to open any browser. Once you open your browser, just search for Epson TM-T82 driver download and then click on enter. After that, just click the first link right here. Now, after that, just choose your operating system right here. To know that, just go here on the search bar and then search for system information. And then you should be able to see it right here under the system type, which is 64 based. And then for the OS name, which is Windows 11. So just choose Windows 11 and then 64-bit right here. And then for the country or region, just choose where you are located. And then in this part, for the recommended for you, just click on this one right here, which is the software and documents disk, and then click on proceed to download. After that, just scroll down and then click on I agree and then click on download once again. After that, let's wait for this to finish. And then once it is done, just click on show in folder and then we're going to extract it. After extracting, this is what you're going to see. So what we're going to do next is to double click on this. And then in this part, we're going to click on install now. After that, click on I accept and then click on next and then click on easy install, which is right here. And then click on simplify Chinese and then click on next and then click USB port and then click on next again. After that, just click on install and then let's wait for this to finish. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And then after that, just click on next right here. And then after that, just click on finish. And then if you go here on our printers, so just type printers right here. And then click on open. And then if you scroll down, you would now be able to see our printer driver right here. So that is basically it.